The Cortez 17 camper is a top quality travel trailer designed for adventurers who want comfort, style, and durability in one package. Made entirely from molded fiberglass with no wood, carpet, or rivets, it's built to resist water, mold, and rust, making it a long lasting companion for any journey. Its Timbron axle independent suspension ensures a smooth ride on all types of terrain, so you can explore remote locations with ease. Inside, the camper is perfectly designed for two people, featuring a double bed that can easily convert from day to night, creating a flexible living space for relaxing or sleeping. The Cortez 17 also offers customizable options like premium appliances, electric jacks and stabilizers, solar power packages, and tank heaters, letting you tailor it to your exact needs. With its combination of rugged construction, modern comforts, and smart design, this camper delivers all the benefits of RV living without compromising on quality or style. Available in multiple colors, it's ideal for couples or solo travelers who want a reliable and elegant home on wheels. Whether you're taking a weekend trip or embarking on a long adventure, the Cortez 17 camper makes every journey comfortable, convenient, and truly enjoyable. The EF Pro cycling truck is a one of a kind mobile support unit designed to keep professional cyclists running smoothly during long and challenging tours. Custom built for the team, this truck is packed with advanced tools and technology to handle every need on the road. Inside, it has a Victrum energy system, a power washer, a water pump, an air compressor, and high pressure cleaning tools, all stored in clever hidden compartments for easy access. The truck also includes a fully equipped kitchen with a sink, microwave, refrigerator, and even a washer and dryer, making life on the road much easier and more comfortable for the crew. Mechanics have their own dedicated workspaces, allowing them to repair up to 53 bicycles, 106 wheels, and various other components quickly and efficiently. The EF Pro Cycling truck serves as a workshop, living space, and command center all in one, giving the team everything they need to focus on performance instead of logistics. With its thoughtful design, advanced systems, and practical features, this truck is more than just a support vehicle. It's the ultimate home and base for a professional cycling team. The Ford F-Vision Future Truck is a futuristic concept that shows what the next generation of heavy-duty trucks could look like. Unveiled at the IAA Commercial Vehicles Show in Germany, this high-tech machine combines smart design, clean energy, and self-driving technology. Created by Ford's Turkish Design Center, the F-Vision is a Level 4 autonomous truck, meaning it can drive completely on its own without a human driver, but can also be manually controlled when needed. It runs on an all-electric battery system, producing zero emissions and helping reduce the environmental impact of long-distance transport. The truck's sleek aerodynamic design not only looks incredible, but also improves performance and energy efficiency. Ford built the F-Vision to highlight the future of transportation, where technology, safety, and sustainability work together. Its intelligent systems aim to make trucking safer and more efficient, while its eco-friendly powertrain points toward a greener future. The F-Vision is more than just a concept. It's a powerful glimpse into the future of commercial vehicles, where advanced automation and electric energy create a cleaner, smarter, and more connected way to move goods across the world. The 4Travel IH45 is a masterpiece of luxury motorhome design, made for those who want to travel in total comfort and style. Each IH45 is carefully handcrafted with incredible attention to detail, offering the perfect mix of elegance, performance, and modern technology. From the outside, it has a bold, sleek look that stands out wherever it goes. Step inside, and it feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The spacious living area features comfortable seating, soft lighting, and high-quality materials that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, solid countertops, and smart storage options, perfect for cooking on the road. The master bedroom includes a cozy king-sized bed and beautiful cabinetry, while the bathroom offers a walk-in shower and stylish finishes that feel just like home. On the road, the powerful engine, smooth air suspension, and advanced safety systems make every trip effortless and enjoyable. With smart home controls, entertainment systems, and excellent build quality, the 4Travel IH45 is not just a motorhome, it's a luxury travel experience that blends comfort, innovation, and freedom in one elegant package. The Gruzovicus is a next-generation fully electric and autonomous semi-truck designed to run without a human driver. Created by Art Lebedev Studio, this futuristic truck has no cabin or steering wheel. Everything is controlled by advanced AI systems. Its smooth, aerodynamic front helps it cut through the air efficiently, improving stability even when carrying heavy cargo. Instead of a windshield, the Gruzovicus features a large OLED panel packed with sensors, cameras, and radar that constantly scan the road and surroundings. These smart systems help it detect obstacles, judge distances, and react instantly to traffic changes, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. The Heimer Vision Venture is a concept motorhome made for travelers who want adventure, comfort, and style all in one. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with a hybrid all-wheel drive system, it can handle off-road journeys while keeping you cozy and relaxed. Inside, the Vision Venture is designed for comfort and practicality, using natural materials to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The interior layout makes the most of the space, featuring a fully equipped kitchen, dining area, bathroom with shower, and a comfortable sleeping area, so you have everything you need for life on the road. This motorhome also includes smart technologies to make travel easier and more efficient. Its lightweight construction improves fuel efficiency and reduces environmental impact, while solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy. A heat recovery system helps minimize energy use, keeping the Vision Venture eco-friendly even on long trips. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness, scenic highways, or weekend getaways, this motorhome combines luxury, practicality, and sustainability. With clever design, advanced systems, and stylish interiors, the Heimer Vision Venture offers a complete mobile living experience, letting you travel farther, live comfortably, and enjoy every moment of your journey with freedom and ease. The Hyundai HDC6 Neptune is a futuristic hydrogen-powered truck that represents Hyundai's vision for the next generation of clean, efficient transportation. Revealed at the North American Commercial Vehicle Show, this concept truck combines innovative design with cutting-edge fuel cell technology. Inspired by the Art Deco style of classic trains, the HDC6 Neptune looks sleek and aerodynamic while being built for real-world performance. It runs on hydrogen fuel cells, producing zero emissions and offering long-distance travel without compromising power or efficiency. Hyundai also introduced the HT Nitro Thermotech trailer, an eco-friendly, high-performance refrigerated trailer that works perfectly with the Neptune truck. Together, they showcase Hyundai's commitment to sustainability and innovation in the commercial vehicle industry. The Neptune isn't just about style, it's about creating a smarter, cleaner, and more advanced future for heavy-duty transport. The Volvo Iron Knight is an absolute beast on wheels, holding the title of the world's fastest truck. Built by Volvo, this record-breaking machine packs an incredible 2,400 horsepower engine that delivers breathtaking speed and power. On a closed track in northern Sweden, it smashed world speed records for both the 500-meter and 1,000-meter standing start runs. The Iron Knight reached a top speed of 171.5 miles per hour, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. A mind-blowing feat for such a massive truck. Designed with a lightweight body and an aerodynamic shape, every detail of this truck was engineered for pure performance. It's not just about raw power, it's also a showcase of Volvo's advanced engineering and innovation in heavy vehicle design. Watching this truck tear down the track is like witnessing a monster built for speed and precision. The Volvo Iron Knight isn't just fast for a truck, it's fast, period. Maverick Vinales, better known as MV12, is one of Spain's most skilled and exciting MotoGP riders. Born on January 12, 1995, in Figueres, Spain, he started his racing career in 2011 in the 125cc World Championship and quickly showed his talent by winning 4 races. In 2013, he became the Moto3 World Champion, marking the start of an impressive journey in professional racing. By 2015, Maverick had joined Team Suzuki X-Star in MotoGP, where he earned his first major victory at the 2016 British Grand Prix. A year later, he moved to Movistar Yamaha MotoGP, winning multiple races and proving himself as one of the most consistent and determined riders on the track. But Maverick isn't just known for his racing. His luxurious MV12 motorhome is a masterpiece on its own. This custom 2-story RV is filled with cutting-edge technology, elegant interiors, and clever space design. The upper floor can even lift up, adding extra room and style. It's not just a motorhome, it's Maverick's personal retreat, combining comfort, innovation, and speed-inspired design, just like his incredible career on 2 wheels. The Prevost H345 VIP is a high-end motorhome built for travelers who want luxury, comfort, and reliability on the road. Known for its quiet and smooth ride, it features independent suspension, which makes handling easier and keeps every journey stable and comfortable. One of its key highlights is the large underfloor storage, providing plenty of space for luggage, gear, or custom modifications to fit your personal needs. Its stylish exterior and well-crafted interior make it stand out, while the Prevost power management system ensures efficient electricity use and longer battery life, so you can enjoy all onboard amenities without worry. Powered by an eco-friendly Volvo D13 engine, the H345 VIP meets strict emission standards while offering better fuel economy, combining performance with environmental responsibility. Every detail in this motorhome is designed with passenger comfort in mind, from smooth ride quality to modern systems that make life on the road easier. The Retreat Cabin is a fully electric, off-grid RV designed for travelers who want freedom, comfort, and convenience wherever they go. Powered by a 14.3 kilowatt-hours lithium battery bank charged by 16 solar panels, it can run appliances like the AC, fridge, microwave, and washing machine for long periods without needing a recharge. Built to withstand all weather conditions, it's perfect for those who love exploring remote locations. Inside, the cabin is fully equipped with a kitchen, master bedroom, and living space, giving you everything you need for a comfortable stay. The kitchen features an induction stove, refrigerator, and washing machine, making cooking and daily chores simple. The bathroom includes a ceramic cassette toilet and a fiberglass shower, combining practicality with modern design. Thoughtfully designed, the Retreat Cabin maximizes space while keeping it cozy and functional. At $110,000, it offers an accessible way to enjoy off-grid living without sacrificing style or convenience. The SLR Commander Expedition RV is built for true adventurers who want to explore the world without giving up comfort. Designed for the toughest conditions, this powerful off-road motorhome can take you from sandy deserts to snowy mountains with ease. Its strong exterior is made to handle rough terrains, while the inside feels like a cozy, modern home. The interior includes a spacious living area with comfortable seating, a well-equipped kitchen with all the essentials, and a bathroom featuring a hot shower and high-quality fittings. The bedroom offers a soft, relaxing bed and plenty of storage, giving you a perfect place to rest after a day of exploring. With large water tanks, solar panels, and reliable batteries, the SLR Commander is ideal for off-grid living and long adventures. It also comes with advanced navigation and communication systems to keep you safe and connected wherever you travel. Built for both comfort and endurance, this Expedition RV perfectly balances toughness and luxury. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or exploring remote regions, the SLR Commander lets you enjoy every adventure with confidence, freedom, and a touch of home wherever you go. The STX3 Pop-Out's motorhome takes luxury travel to a whole new level with its perfect mix of power, comfort, and cutting-edge design. Built on strong bases like the Scania S500 SV8 or Mercedes Actros, it's powered by a massive 510 horsepower engine, making it both tough and smooth to drive. What makes it stand out are its three expandable pop-outs that open up to create a spacious and elegant interior, giving you the feel of a modern home on wheels. Inside, it features a cozy electric lift bed, premium curtains, and a soft sofa perfect for relaxing after a long day. The fully equipped kitchen includes a Whirlpool refrigerator, a double trash can, and plenty of sleek storage, making life on the road easy and stylish. To enhance convenience, it also comes with a Garmin CAN bus touchscreen system, generator, and BUA K40 diesel heating, ensuring top-notch comfort wherever you go. The Tabert Cellini 750 HTD is a top-of-the-line RV built for travelers who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. At 10.27 meters long and 2.5 meters wide, it's spacious enough for a full family or group of friends. The RV sits on a sturdy dual-axle ALKO galvanized chassis with shock absorbers, supporting a 3,500 kilogram gross weight for smooth and stable rides. Inside, it offers 4 beds and 7 windows that can be opened for fresh air or closed for privacy, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The kitchen and living area are equipped with a 177-liter refrigerator and a 95 Ah battery, giving you all the essentials for life on the move. Outside, optional features like an awning, outdoor entertainment system, and security system make it perfect for relaxing or entertaining anywhere. The GRP roof is strong, protects against hail, and provides excellent sound insulation. Sleek flat metal sidewalls add a modern, elegant look. With high-quality design, practical amenities, and attention to comfort, the Tabert Cellini 750 HTD turns every journey into a luxurious experience. Whether you're traveling short distances or exploring new destinations, this RV is a stylish and reliable home on wheels that makes every trip enjoyable and stress-free. The Volkner Mobile Performance is a stunning motorhome that takes luxury travel to the next level. At about 12 meters long, it feels like a rolling mansion packed with comfort, elegance, and advanced technology. The interior is designed to be both stylish and customizable, with features like real wood accents, marble countertops, and modern furnishings that make it feel like a true high-end apartment on wheels. It includes a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious dining and living area, and even 2 large TVs for entertainment on the road. The bathroom is just as impressive, offering a full shower and premium finishes that feel like a hotel suite. One of its most unique highlights is the innovative central garage, which allows you to bring along your favorite sports car in complete style and security. For those who love independence, it also comes with solar panels, big water tanks, and powerful battery systems, letting you enjoy off-grid living without compromise. Added touches like a Burmester sound system, a wine locker, and a cozy daybed create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Volner Performance. The Volner Performance is one of the most high-end luxury RVs in the world, built to deliver style, comfort, and top performance for travelers who want the best. Stretching 12 meters long, it offers smooth driving, safety, and enjoyment wherever the road takes you. Inside, the design is both elegant and customizable, allowing owners to choose finishes that match their taste. Premium touches include real wood accents, marble countertops, and a fully equipped kitchen for home-style cooking on the go. The RV also comes with 2 large 40-inch TVs, a private bathroom with a shower, and even an innovative central garage that lets you bring along your favorite car. For those who love long trips, it's built to be self-sufficient with solar panels, large water tanks, and powerful battery storage, making off-grid living possible.